From steam shovels carving through frontier dirt to towering cranes redefining city skylines, construction machines reshaped civilizations across time. In 19th-century America, steam shovels accelerated canals and railways, stitching vast landscapes into a connected national tapestry rapidly. Mid-century tunneling and earthmoving unlocked megacities in Europe and Asia, turning subway dreams into practical, scalable urban arteries worldwide. A few case studies show Brazil's ports, Japan's precision excavation, and China's rapid housing pushing infrastructure forward for millions. Today, digital controls and autonomous systems extend heritage machines, guiding sustainable growth while honoring the ingenuity of earlier engineers.